I was lost, now I'm found. I'm sustained by the sound of the angels singing me to sleep while my feet are leaving the ground. Am I dead or am I dreaming instead? A cornucopia of opiates are flooding my head.
I'm insane, I am smart. All it takes is a spark to ignite my bad intentions and do what I do best for your heart. Don't be fooled, I was raised by the wolves. Now the moon hates the fools, so you know I won't play by the rules. Spill my blood for you. You have let me down one too many times. Some way, somehow we've fallen out, caught in between my enemies. No way, not now, I won't back down. I draw the line in you and me. You're what I started, now disregarded. One day they'll see it was always me. Due to mistakes I have made to the state, I am trapped inside a Dillinger, diligently thinking of ways to get out of this god-awful place. I have learned that my fate is something I can't escape, so sound the alarm. Let's head for the stars. It's a never let your system break me down, tear me apart. Tell me proud I was raised by the wall. Now the moon ain't it fun, so you know I won't leave it alone. Spill my blood for you. You have let me down one too many times. Some way, somehow we've fallen out, caught in between my enemies. No way, not now, I won't back down. I draw the line in you and me. You're what I started, now disregarded. One day they'll see it was always me. This is the end of you. This is where I draw the line.